What's good? It's QueenSit and I'm back with another video. Getting ready to head up to Harley-Davidson. The other day I crashed my motorcycle. I slipped on some train tracks or some trolley tracks in St. Louis, and yeah, it was very painful. It wasn't the worst pain I've ever felt, but it was not fun. So anyway, I had a few damages, so I'm getting ready to take it up to Harley so they can examine it and fix my footboard and see what we can do about my saddlebag being scratched. Alright, so join me for the ride. It's QueenSit. Let's go. What's up, it's QueenSit, and before we start this vlog, I just want to say thank you all for telling me to wear my gloves. Thank you for telling me to wear glasses. Thank you for telling me to wear a full face helmet. I heard you. I heard you. I heard you. You do not have to say it anymore. And I mean that in the nicest way possible. So don't think like I'm trying to be mean. Like, I know you care about me and I truly appreciate it. And let's focus on the vlogs, alright? Let's focus on the happiness. Let's focus on the positivity, the love. Alright, love y'all.
Follow the farthest star. Why not that voice inside is who you are?
What's up? How are you? Let me get that. So which part right here?
Well, this is bent, but then your posts for that are really bent.
Dang. This too?
That one's a little more robust. We'll take it off and compare it to the other one and make sure. But
You think that need a new one? Oh, I'm sorry.
no, you're good.
Or these pop back in?
Mike can try. It's still got the flanges on it, so
Yeah.
it didn't rip those off.
I didn't want to push it. I was like, let me check first.
Yeah,
But I think it might pop right back in.
yeah.
Crash bar. That took a heavy hit.
Did it go all the way down?
Yeah. Well, it was side, like leaning on the crash bar on the curb.
Yeah, I saw the saddlebags.
Oh, my bad. Sheesh.
Good?
It was my first one. I hated it. I hated every minute of it.
Seat screw?
Yeah, I had an aftermarket, and I think
I know.
it popped it off.
Oh, really?
When I got to the right, the seat was off completely. All right, I am at Gateway Harley-Davidson. I'm about to look around and check out some of the things they have in here. So let's see if we can find something today. All right, much better. So first thing I noticed in here is, check this out. We got some type of camping tent This looks pretty dope. You know, I got a camping trip coming up in New York and West Virginia. I think that's pretty dope. I love that sleeping bag. It feels really thick too. Nice. Nice. I think that looks pretty dope. I like that one too. Oh, look at that. Road glide. Y'all. I really need to test ride a street glide. Let me know in the comments below. Do you want to see me test ride a street glide? It will be my first time ever riding a street glide. What y'all think? That's a nice looking bike. That's fire. That's fire. What's good? How are you?
You take a new one home?
Man, I've been looking at the street glides. Hey y'all, look at this sports glide. What y'all know about this? That pipe is sick. That pipe is crazy. A little fairy in the front. What y'all think? All right, gotta go. Gotta learn about my bike. All right, y'all, we're getting ready to get this fixed. We're gonna see if this is bendable back, or we're gonna see if we can, if anything else needs to be replaced. But we're replacing the footboard, and it should be quick and easy fix. In my saddlebag. I'm just gonna probably replace that. I don't know. What you think I should do in the comments? Should I leave it as a war room? Should I replace it? Should I see if somebody can buff it and repaint it? What y'all think? And you already know who's working on it. We got Big Mike in the back, baby. Let's go. All right, let's get a snack. I'm starving. I didn't eat today, and I need to take a pain pill. But I wanted to get up here because my friends want to hang out today. Now I sit and eat on this comfy couch with this beautiful rug. Alright, Gateway Harley-Davidson. Alright, my bike is all done, so I'm getting ready to pick it up, and I'll tell you how much damage it cost my pockets. And I also had to get a new seat bracket. What's up, it's QueenSit. Hey, Cinco de Mayo is cracking. You know I'm on a road glide. We got people all outside. Okay, so a heads up, the next few clips are of adults having a good time and dancing, so children probably shouldn't watch this. But I pulled up on Cherokee Street, which is a dope street in St. Louis, for festivities, and let's just say it was a party. I bought the Harley-Davidson Stage 2 audio upgrade out, and I played it and had the whole block dancing and partying, so shout out to them. So enjoy these clips. It was such a good time. A random girl yelled at me and said she wanted to ride my bike. So I said, hey, come on and jump on. And we rode down the street together and enjoyed the people. The people came over to the bike, started dancing. It was nothing but positive energy and good vibes. Thank you so much for watching this vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. I had to give you that real content from the Harley-Davidson rider's perspective because it gets real out here and it's nothing but fun. So make sure you subscribe, like, and stay tuned because we have more content coming this summer and it's going to be crazy. Let's go.